All right, are you tired of landing pages that just don't convert? Today, I am going to show you a powerful strategy that is being used by the top marketers that is literally generating millions in sales, and I'm offering you a chance to download this page with just the click of one button. All right, so what exactly is the hybrid landing page funnel? So it's a sales page that is cleverly disguised as an article, or basically as information that your target audience wants, needs, desires, so on and so forth. In Wes McDowell's video, he goes over why this is such a highly effective method and why it works like a charm.
Let me introduce you to the hybrid landing page. Think of it like a sales page cleverly disguised as an article. It's perfect for showing up in Google searches or for targeting with paid ads. And the best part? They read the content piece, which, when done right, creates a real demand for your paid offer, educating them and warming them up the whole way before seamlessly transitioning to the sales content. And by the time they reach that part, they're ready to go. Now, this strategy is still underused enough to be novel, but smart marketers have been experimenting with this type of page for years and have gotten some incredible results from it.
And the reason is because it combines being helpful with engaging content and a smooth sales pitch for that seamless transition. Have you ever listened to somebody transition from the marketing into the sales? And there's this awkward transition where even not only can you feel the awkwardness, but they can feel the awkwardness, and all of a sudden it's not a smooth transition anymore. Well, the hybrid landing page funnel takes all of that awkwardness and puts it on the back burner, because this page creates a unique combination and a powerful reaction in your target audience's brain when you combine the helpful information in the content with the inevitable sales pitch in your offer. And this can potentially explode your sales in a way that a simple landing page can't.
For Boom Cosmetics, this hybrid landing page is their #1 highest converting landing page ever, so much so that they pretty much only send their Facebook ads to this page, nowhere else. This marketing agency owner says it's outperforming every other landing page they're using, and this top sales copywriter has used this exact format to generate more than $20 million for his clients. So now let's look at the simple page layout that did all of that so that you can easily copy it for your own business.
And the best part is that this method is not overused yet, meaning that it's still a secret weapon that could give you a huge edge in your industry. Now, in Wes's video, he highlighted Boom Cosmetics, and they use this exact strategy, and it is their highest converting landing page. This is a real strategy delivering real results. Now, the video that I have been referring to, if you want to watch the full video, that is going to be linked down below. But what's more important is you also getting the plug and play framework. So all you have to do is click one button and immediately have access to this same landing page template for your business. And in his video, he outlines why this funnel is so effective. So if you don't want to take my word for it, he's outlined everything that you need to know in that video, but he said it best in his video, that this funnel isn't just about looking good. It's about genuinely helping your audience. And before you even think about asking for the sale, which triggers the law of reciprocity in humans, and that is a sincere, influential trick that every marketer needs to master if they actually want to be successful in marketing in 2025. So here is how this funnel works. You start with an article-like top section, providing helpful content that connects with your audience's main pain points and problems, struggles, and their deepest desires. And then, just like Wes explains, after you actually help them solve a small problem, you seamlessly transition into your sales offer without any weird or abrupt endings. It just becomes the natural next step in the progression. And in his video, he gives a great example of how to do this with the sales solution bridge. Instead of wrapping up your article with the traditional conclusion, you instead bridge the content to the sale with a simple transition sentence. Like, knowing all this is one thing, but actually doing it is another. So don't worry, we're here to help. Which not only solidifies you as the authority, but also the person that's going to help them reach their next level. Now, no sales page is complete, even the incognito ones like this hybrid landing page, without testimonials. Testimonials are so powerful because even think about Amazon. The products you buy are the ones with the most reviews. I mean, honestly, even if the reviews are fake, even if you read those reviews, how are you going to know if they're fake people? But the products that have the most reviews have the most authority backing them. And while testimonials are powerful, the ones that are truly impactful are the ones that outline the real benefits of working with you or accepting your offer. Whether it's someone talking about how your product or service changed their life or overcoming common objections that you have during the sales process, testimonials can give your offer the social proof it needs to actually convert by showing the potential customer what exactly to expect. Because this isn't about overwhelming your potential target audience with details. It's about making it easy for them to say yes. Now, one of the easiest ways to get people to say yes is when you focus on the benefits and not the features. Features are things that your product can do versus a benefit is how it's actually going to change their life. Remember, your audience really cares about themselves. They care about the transformation that they're going to get when they invest in your product or service. It's not really the technical aspects of what you have to offer. But most importantly of this entire video is how can you start using this for your business today? And that is why I have broken down the exact funnel framework that Wes McDowell talked about in his video. And I'm not just going to show you how it works. I'm offering you a chance to download it with literally the click of one button. All you have to do is tell me where to send it. Because imagine having a landing page that helps your audience first and then converts them into paying customers without any extra pressure. That sounds amazing, right? Well, Wes McDowell's video really opened my eyes to how this funnel structure is absolutely transforming businesses. And now I want you to have the exact same results. So click the link below to get access to the hybrid landing page funnel and start driving those conversions today, because the potential is absolutely transforming your business by simply using one high converting landing page. I'll see you on the inside. So that's it for this training, but your funnel building journey doesn't stop here. Every training in this video series comes with a plug and play framework that you can get access to through My Business Success Vault. So you don't have to think about it. You just click and you're good to go. But that's not all that's in the vault. There's also courses, digital downloads, other pre-built frameworks, and trainings on different AI tools and automation to help keep your business running smoothly and efficiently. The best part is the Business Success Vault comes with a 7-day free trial. And you have full control over your membership status at any time, no hassle, no commitment. So if you're ready to take the guesswork out of growing your business on ClickFunnels, then click the link below and start implementing with ease. See you there.